challenges, what are the common academic difficulties you experience, such as understanding lesson, completing assignments, or meeting deadlines?
Difficulty in balancing academic and extracurricular activities.
Time management. How do you manage your time between schoolwork, extracurricular activities, and personal responsibilities?
Using a planner and setting realistic goals.
Family support. What challenges do you face at home that affect your performance in schools?
Supportive family members who encourage me to pursue my passions.
For relationship. How do your relationship with classmates and friends impact your school experience?
Positive influence from friends who share similar interests.
Financial challenges. What financial struggles, if any, affect your ability to attend school or access educational resources?
None, as my family is financially stable.
Stress management. What strategies do you use to manage stress related to school?
Engaging in yoga and meditation.
Academic support. How do you seek help when facing academic difficulties? Teacher, classmate, or tutorials?
Seeking help from teachers and online resources.
Emotional resilience. What activities or habits help you maintain a positive outlook despite challenges?
Practicing gratitude and self-reflection.
Community support. How do you external factors such as community programs or peer groups help you cope with school-related passenger?
Volunteering in local community service project.
Future aspiration. How do your long-term goals to dreams motivate you to overcome the challenges you face in grade 11?
Becoming a successful interpreter motivates me to work hard. Thank you.